For years I thought my smart TV had everything I needed. Built-in apps, YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, all right there. I even used a Chromecast every now and then, thinking it would make streaming smoother. But honestly, I was wrong. Because over time I realized something, those so-called smart TVs, they're not that smart after all. They slow down, crash randomly, show ads I never asked for, and worst of all, they feel outdated within a year or two. But everything changed when I brought home one small box, the Apple TV 4K, and trust me, I wasn't expecting much. But within minutes of setting it up, I was shocked. Everything felt buttery smooth, clean, fast, and perfectly synced with my other Apple devices. It didn't just feel like an upgrade, it felt like a completely new way to experience entertainment. So in this video, I'll break down why I switched all my TVs to Apple TV, what makes it so much better than built-in smart systems or streaming sticks, and what major Apple TV 2025 upgrades are rumored to be coming soon, including the new A17 Pro chip, AI-powered Apple Intelligence 8K streaming, and a built-in FaceTime camera. 1. Performance, power that redefines streaming. Let's start with the foundation, performance. Most smart TVs, even the expensive ones, use weak processors designed just to get the job done. That's why your apps lag, your menus take forever to load, and you see those spinning loading circles every few seconds. Apple, on the other hand, doesn't play that game. The current Apple TV 4K, 3rd gen, runs on the A15 Bionic chip, the same powerhouse that was inside the iPhone 13 Pro. That's serious muscle for a streaming box. The result? Instant navigation. Smooth animations, no lag. Switching between Netflix, YouTube, or Apple TV Plus feels just like flipping through apps on an iPhone, fast, fluid, and effortless. And the best part? It doesn't slow down over time. While my LG OLED and Samsung TVs started lagging after a year, my Apple TV boxes still run like new, even after hundreds of hours of streaming. Gaming and AirPlay sessions. 2. User interface. Clean, simple, and ad-free performance is one thing, but the real charm lies in the interface. If you've ever been annoyed by home screens full of banner ads, random promotions, and clunky menus, Apple TV feels like a breath of fresh air. The interface is minimal, modern, and completely ad-free. You're in control. No pop-ups, no sponsored tiles, just your favorite apps, neatly organized, and because it's part of the Apple ecosystem, you get consistency across all your devices. Whether you're using your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, it feels instantly familiar. Even the transitions, animations, and app icons feel premium, something you'd expect from Apple. It's designed for simplicity, not distraction. Pre-multitasking and picture-in-picture, true smart TV power. One of the most underrated Apple TV features is picture-in-picture, or PIP. It lets you shrink a video into a small corner window while you continue browsing or using another app. And it's not just a gimmick, it's perfectly smooth. You can watch a live football match while checking weather updates, or play a YouTube video while exploring Apple TV Plus trailers. My kids love it. They can watch cartoons while I keep an eye on a sports stream. It's the kind of effortless multitasking that no other streaming box pulls off this well. It genuinely transforms your TV into a multitasking entertainment hub. For hardware, the silent performer. Apple's hardware design philosophy is unmatched. The Apple TV box is small, sleek, and completely silent. No fan noise, no overheating. It's built to disappear into your setup, both visually and functionally. While other boxes feel like cheap plastic toys, Apple TV feels premium, a solid, compact piece of tech that just works flawlessly every day. Even after hours of 4K playback, it stays cool and quiet. You forget it's even there. 5. Future leaks. Apple TV 2025 is going big. Now, let's talk about what's coming next, because Apple TV 2025 is shaping up to be a game changer. Leaks suggest it's getting the A17 Pro chip, the same one found in the iPhone 15 Pro series. That's a huge leap in performance, making the box ready for the next generation of gaming, streaming, and AI-driven tasks. But the most exciting upgrade? Apple Intelligence. That's Apple's all-new AI platform coming to Apple devices in 2025. On Apple TV, it could completely change how we interact with content. Imagine saying, "Hey Siri, show me funny moments from Ted Lasso," or "Find the scene where Eleven uses her powers in Stranger Things." The AI would instantly understand your request, analyzing scenes and delivering exactly what you want. That's next-level smart. Rumors also point to Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3 for ultra-fast, lag-free streaming and gaming. A possible built-in center stage camera for FaceTime calls. No more using your iPhone as a camera. And even AI-powered subtitle translation and real-time transcription for global viewers, if these upgrades arrive. Apple TV won't just be a streaming box, it'll be the AI-powered entertainment hub for your home. 6. Apple Ecosystem, the ultimate integration. Here's where Apple TV pulls ahead of everything else. Ecosystem synergy. The way it connects with your other Apple devices feels magical. You can AirPlay content from your iPhone in seconds, share music via Apple Music Party mode, and even use your Apple Watch to control playback. And let's not forget HomeKit integration. Apple TV doubles as a smart home hub, letting you control lights, locks, thermostats, and cameras right from your TV screen. It's not just convenient, it's futuristic. Seeing live camera feeds, doorbell alerts, or controlling your smart devices on a 65-inch screen feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. With audio and video quality, a true home theater experience. Now let's talk about quality, because Apple TV delivers an absolutely cinematic experience. With HDR10, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos support, you get deep contrast, vivid colors, and truly immersive sound. Even older TVs can look new again when calibrated through your iPhone's automatic color balance feature. And if you pair it with HomePods or a Sonos system, you get rich, room-filling sound that easily rivals a full home theater. It's honestly insane how good the experience feels for such a compact device. 8. Remote control, small but genius. Let's be honest, TV remotes are usually terrible. But the Apple TV Siri remote is pure simplicity. It's slim, responsive, and works with gestures and voice. And if you lose it, which happens more often than you think, your iPhone instantly helps you find it using Find My. You can also use your iPhone as a full Apple TV remote, with keyboard typing, Face ID autofill for passwords, and dictation support. Logging into apps like Netflix or Disney Plus becomes painless. It's a small feature, but it makes a huge difference in daily use. 9. App Store and gaming beyond streaming. Unlike built-in TV systems, Apple TV gives you access to a full app store. From fitness trackers to VPNs, productivity tools to interactive learning apps, it's a full ecosystem on your TV. And if you're a gamer, Apple Arcade turns your TV into a mini console. Pair an Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch controller, and you can enjoy console-like gaming powered by the A15. And soon, the A17 Pro chip. Apple's focus on smooth performance means games load quickly and look gorgeous in 4K. 10 quality-of-life touches, Polish that matters. Apple TV is full of little details that make you smile. Gorgeous aerial screensavers, real-time weather backgrounds, automatic night mode, AirPlay mirroring, and even sleep timers built into Control Center. These small touches create an experience that feels complete, something most other tvOS systems just can't match. Final thoughts, should you buy one? So is the Apple TV worth it in 2025? Absolutely, but here's my advice. If you find a good deal on the current Apple TV 4K, grab it. It's still incredibly powerful, future-ready, and beautifully polished. But if you're excited for AI-powered features, faster performance, and 8K streaming, you might want to wait for the A17 Pro version rumored to drop later this year. Either way, once you experience Apple TV, you'll never want to go back to your old smart TV again. Because this isn't just about watching shows, it's about upgrading how you experience entertainment. And for me, that's why every single TV in my house now runs on Apple TV.